Hey Ma, want to show my love for you this Mother's Day by baking you your favorite brownies. Well, almost. Not sure exactly how Soigné makes their brownies, but I think mine are going to knock your socks off. And I'll put the recipe in the description below for everyone else who wants to spoil their Ma too. Let's get baking. I'm going to start by melting butter and chocolate together. I know you love that dark chocolate flavor, so I'm going with Ghirardelli 60%. While that's melting, I'm going to get my sugar and eggs whipping on high. This helps with the volume because there's no leavening agent in the recipe. That's okay though, I'm looking for a nice dense gooey brownie to keep you happy on Mother's Day. With the chocolate, butter, eggs, and sugar all together, all that's left is the dry ingredients. So I grab some flour, cocoa, espresso, and salt. Sift those into a bowl and gently fold them into the batter. Look how good that looks. It brings me back to making cookies with you when I was younger. You were the queen of making cookies. I guess that just makes me the prince of baking brownies. And yeah, I still lick the spoon. Some things never change. Now we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for about 22 minutes. We'll know when it's done by doing a toothpick test in the center. For this fudge brownie, we're looking for a few crumbs to stick, unlike a cake brownie where you want the toothpick to come out clean. Looks good enough to eat, but we're not done yet. I'm going to make some ganache to make this extra decadent. Cream, butter, chocolate, you can't go wrong there. So let's heat up that cream and butter, pour it over the dark chocolate. Then stir until you get a silky smooth consistency. Wanted to give you a double dose of love on this Mother's Day, so I sandwiched 2 halves of the brownie together. We get a chocolate overload with ganache in the center and on top. Oh, these brownies look delicious. But now I have to make them as beautiful as you. And you can't have Mother's Day without flowers, so I had to add these modeling chocolate flowers that taste better than fondant. And pops of color add a nice finishing touch. And voila, my dark chocolate ganache brownie for you, Ma. I may have outgrown your lap, but I'll never outgrow your love. Just wanted to say thanks for everything, Ma. For teaching me how to bake and how to be an adult, which is a lot harder than you made it seem when I was growing up. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Love ya.